On your Wednesday morning, a first warning, a weather day, because we could have some boomers. First time we've said that in a while, right? Coming into our area?
Yeah, it's been a while since we had to deal with any severe storms, and that could be the case this afternoon, guys.
Okay.
So, that's why today is going to end up being, well, it is a first warning weather day. I think it'll be more the exception than the rule, but certainly something that we have to watch out for. And it's interesting, right? Last Friday we had a first warning weather day because of snowfall, and today it's because of the threat of some thunderstorms moving on through, right? So it's the typical springtime stuff here. We're all over the place. So today, the best chance of showers and getting wet is going to be this afternoon. I think through most of the morning, it's just a spot shower here or there. But the deeper we get into the morning, the better chance of getting wet. And then for a few hours this afternoon, we're going to have some heavy rain downpours. And within that, we could have a couple of thunderstorms that could be on the strong side. Then tomorrow, it's cold. It's going to be windy tomorrow as well. Cold, at least for April standards. And Friday is still chilly and blustery, but at least Friday is going to be featuring a lot of sunshine. So today's kind of that transition day, as we were 73 yesterday, but we're transitioning back to the cooler stuff. As we take a live look outside, a pretty picture this morning, right? The sun coming up, looking out over western Mass. You can see we have mostly cloudy skies, but also some of that sun trying to work on through. Sun came up this morning at 5:59. Let's check out the temps out at Westover. We're sitting at a chilly 35 degrees right now, but the breeze is going to pick up a little bit. It's going to kick around in and out of the south, and that's going to get temperatures to boost at least to near 60 by lunchtime, and then the front will move through. The front is kind of hanging back to the west right now, but eventually low pressure is going to strengthen, and as low pressure moves into eastern Canada, it's going to increase our southerly flow, and then the front moves through this afternoon. So things will be changing and happening quickly as we go through the day today. And there's quite a bit of cold air on the backside of it with snow. We're not going to see any snow here in the valley, but wouldn't be surprised those of us in Berkshire County could see some flakes tonight into tomorrow. No accumulation, but just an indication of how chilly the air mass is behind this front. This is a little later this morning where we have clouds and sun mixed, just like now. Temps in the mid-40s. By 10, 11 o'clock, we're noticing some spotty showers around. And as early as maybe 1 o'clock through about 5 or 6, that's when we run the risk or have the potential for some strong to maybe even a severe storm or two, particularly as the cold front pushes through. There may be a line of storms forming right along it, so it's around the middle part to the latter half of the afternoon. Notice how temps go from the 60s pretty quickly down into the 40s as the front pushes through. The wind swings around into the northwest and becomes gusty later this afternoon and evening too as that cold air gets ushered in. By 7 o'clock, just a few leftover spot showers, nothing severe at that point. Now we're on the backside of the front, right? So things are going to be stabilizing or becoming less prone to severe weather, but certainly the cold and the chill will be with us. Notice even by 7 o'clock, it'll be in the 30s in the hill towns with maybe even a flurry at that point. And then tomorrow, clouds mixed with sunshine. It's windy and chilly. High temperatures tomorrow only in the 40s. So in terms of the threats today, we're going to pick up some heavy downpours. We could pick up about a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch in a few isolated spots. So that obviously can lead to some big puddles on the roadways. Gusty winds, isolated spots where those winds could be damaging. Hail is a threat, I should say, as well. A lower chance of hail, but something we'll be looking out for. And tornado, the threat isn't zero, but it's very low. But of course, we'll be watching all severe threats as we go into the afternoon. Can probably give the all clear by about 6 o'clock. And then it's just about the wind and the cold after that, as temperatures will be in the 40s tomorrow. We bounce back by Friday afternoon, but a cold start. Still windy Friday too, but a nice day on Saturday. That looks to be the pick not only of the weekend, but of the next, well, 7 days. Upper 60s, maybe near 70. Some rain probably for Sunday. All right, more on the forecast in a few minutes. Jordan and Taylor, back over to you.
Thank you, Dan. Well, Boston City officials have released